Ellarigu Namaskaram. Welcome guys to the channel of Priyanka Hagu Pagu once again. So आज हम एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग टॉक करने वाले हैं. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टीट्यूट स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया कैंपस जो कि बेंगलुरु में है. So this is the place where dream comes into reality for many aspiring athletes. So अभी हम आगे देखते हैं हमारे कैंपस को. So stay tuned. So this is the main entrance guys to the Sai Bengaluru campus. आप लोग देख सकते हो कि सिक्योरिटी कितना टाइट है just to ensure safety and privacy of all the athletes. So the campus is spread over approx 100 acre and it is equipped with the world class facilities that you will be going to see further. So what exactly is the Sports Authority of India? Must be a question. Basically after the एशियन गेम दैट हैपन इन 1982 उसके बाद ये इस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था 1984 में साई एज द एपेक्स नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स बॉडी इन इंडिया. और उसका प्राइमरी पर्पस होता है कि प्रमोट करे और डेवलप करे स्पोर्ट्स को हमारे कंट्री में इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोवाइड एथलीट्स विद द रिसोर्सेज जो उनको रिक्वायर्ड है अलॉन्ग विद द सपोर्ट बोथ फॉर नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल स्टेजेस. So here you can have a look of the track and the field area जहाँ पे athletes practice करते हैं and they take part in different tournaments for the sports like football, hockey, basketball, athletics and so on, which make sure that these facilities are international in standards and it gives the best environment to the athletes so that they can improve or they hone their skills. So this is the Olympic size swimming pool जहाँ पे swimmers खुद को train कर रहे होते हैं rigorously under the guidance of expert coaches. Now let us also have a look at the gymnasium जो कि fully equipped है with the modern fitness equipment and you can see around how it is helping the athletes to build their strength, endurance and overall fitness. As we know that training कितना important है हमारे performance का. As it is rightly said, to have a healthy mind and body, we need to have a healthy diet. ये make sure करता है हमारा Sai Bengaluru to give up facilities that provide them with a nutritious meal और make sure करता है कि उनकी डाइट के अकॉर्डिंग उनको वो फूड थ्रू आउट द डे मिले so that it is also a balanced diet and making sure कि वो optimal performance के साथ beneficial हो. तो आप देख सकते हो हमारे एथलीट्स को जो कि दिन रात पूरी डेडिकेशन के साथ वर्क कर रहे होते हैं and that is really inspiring. So Sai Bengaluru has an added advantage of the weather over here. So as you can see, the weather is very pleasant all around the year, which actually helps a lot to the athletes while they practice and also during their competition.
मेरा प्रेफरेंस बेस्ट चार्ट 24 है और आने वाले भी एशियन गेम्स में मैं मेडल देखी.
There are various activities that happens on a regular basis. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं. We are celebrating an International Yoga Day and we all know how important yoga plays role in our life. So I would suggest that we all should inculcate this practice in our life too. So this was in brief about the amazing and prestigious institute Sai, and here is to the nightlife of the Bangalore. Thank you guys.